We love learning English.
We use while to show a clear contrast or difference between two situations, habits, or places, such as city life versus country life. Whether while is at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence, we always use a comma to separate the two contrasting ideas. When making a comparison with while, you must be sure that you are comparing the same type of things on both sides. For example, city versus village, tea versus coffee.
I like football, while my brother prefers basketball.
City life is noisy, while village life is peaceful. While some citizens live in apartments, others live in farmhouses. This book is very interesting, while that magazine is extremely boring. My father likes tea, while my mother prefers coffee.